Good afternoon, everybody. Out doing some scouting this evening, and I'm seeing a bunch of bird movement, a lot of mallards. So I'm thinking tomorrow could be a pretty good one. I'm going out with Drew in the morning to a spot that he's hunted a few times before, had some success in. It's going to be 3 of us. My buddy Dylan's coming along as well. This is just a little flooded willow hole. I think we're just going to be standing around the edge of it using just a few decoys, and it is a pretty small spot as well, which has me excited because if the birds come in here, they should be pretty tight. The only thing that's not going to be in our favor for tomorrow is that it is supposed to be pretty warm, highs in the 70s, so hopefully the birds still move around pretty good. Luckily, we do have a pretty strong wind forecasted. It's supposed to be out of the south at about 10 to 15, so hopefully that starts early and blows hard because it would definitely help us work some birds. But that's all I got. Really excited for tomorrow, and I will see y'all out there in the morning. First long night paddle of the season in the kayak. Big old moon. Lots of stars and no headlamp. Just can't beat it. Hit him again. I don't even know where to point the camera. What was that, mallard drake? Holy smokes. Well, no, shoot him. I mean, if you want to shoot teal, shoot teal. Holy. All right. I think I need to put down the camera now and pick up the gun. We'll see if I got a one-shot wonder or not this morning. I meant to clean my gun after yesterday and forgot until about 15 minutes before shooting lights, so. Good shot. What was it? Hit him again if you can. He's dead. Get yourself a bird. Make sure he's dead first, though. What is it? Nice. Mallard drake. He dove on me. Really? I grabbed him. Luckily, it's deep enough or shallow enough that they can't really go anywhere. Oh yeah, ring them up, and I got a strap. What do you say? Don't shoot that? I didn't pull the trigger. Yeah, bud. Third shot wonder. First duck. Is that your first duck of the season? Yeah. Nice. Fastball. Oh, there's Drew's teal of the morning. He's got 2 birds now, mallard drake and this little green wing. Holy smokes, for November, that's as good as I've ever seen. He's got some like heftiness to him too. He's starting to get some down. God, I cannot believe he is gobbling in mid-November. Is turkey season then?
No, it just went out. It comes back in on 29.
I thought there was. Here we go out front. Hit him. Let him in, let him in, let him in, let him. Kill that drake. Good shot. Whop.
And that's a mallard limit.
Nice. Give me some there. I thought I was going to have to back you up.
Well, there goes my shooting percentage.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
I don't know what this is. Good shot, Dylan. Good shot.
That's 2 mallard limit.
Nice. You smoked him, dude.
Hell yeah. There's another one coming.
He had a leg hanging too. I'm glad we got him. That is a nice start to the morning. Let me see him too. Woo, big boy.
He's thick.
Yeah, like that's what I was talking about yesterday. I was like, mine looked nice, but he wasn't a hoss like that. Here. Can you grab that one for Dylan?
Yeah, I see it now. It's dead.
Dude, they are eating up the motion ducks. Did you see those 3? As soon as I pulled that motion ducks the first time, they just went and locked.
This one's a hen.
It is?
Yeah.
What? I could have swore it was a drake.
It looked like a drake. Well, yeah, I'll take it.
No way. I could have swore, like, I'm not mad it had a leg hanging, but I could have swore it was a drake.
It had a leg hanging.
Oh yeah, it's just a hen with a light belly.
Yeah.
Here. Nice old soggy hen. I think that's what this is. This is lotus, isn't it?
Yep.
I don't know, because I thought so too. And like the ducks in Texas would get in this stuff super thick, but I was opening up crawls and never found any of the seeds in there. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me. It looks like it would be perfect for a duck, but... Oh, right overhead, right overhead. What are those, woodies? We cutting into him? Let him. Pick out a drake, right this time, right? Let him get in the hole, let him get in the hole. Let him get it, let him get it. Kill him. I got one. All right, yep. Whew. I got a nice Drake Woody there, but we had another one sail on us, so we're gonna have to make a pretty good search for him, I think. Sorry about that, bud. Got a nice pair of drakes out of that flock. They worked us probably 6-8 circles, and finally they put the landing gear down and decent shooting, so it seems the action's picking back up. Feel his crawl. You couldn't fit one more of those in there.
Dude, it feels like he swallowed a bunch of gravel.
It might be those seeds from the lotus.
It could be.
Oh my god.
You couldn't fit another one in there. I mean,
He's full of...
no wonder he couldn't get a, no wonder he was the slow one. He was the slow one in the group. That's why I picked him out. And now I know why. Here, this one was yours. Well, first duck of the day, first woodies of the day. And I mean, I'll have to open his crawl up at the end of the morning, but he is loaded down, to say the least. What are those? Was that you?
Yeah, there were 2 like 5 feet.
You get them? Okay, I'd say the teal flight has officially
the wrong way for half a second.
Well, pretty fun one. Those are black duck. No. Helicopter. I was second guessing myself. First mallard of the day. They came circling right over. Not a decoy, but he was right over top and I felt like I could smoke him, so took him. Thought they were black ducks for a second because they kind of silhouetted in the sun there, and then when they got over top I could tell that there was a pair of mallards. That's a nice one. Beautiful iridescence in his tail there. Whew. 2 ducks now. Well, living up to expectations so far, Drew?
Pretty good hunt so far. Almost done with our mallard limit, which is cool. Some of the birds aren't working as well to the calls as we would like, but in this spot, that's kind of what you get sometimes. So, pretty good numbers so far. I'm pretty happy so far.
Yep, I'd agree on that. Teal are being a little finicky, which is weird. I mean, this hole is pretty much like a little perfect green wing hole. I mean, it's got enough space for them to dump right in, but they've given us some looks, come right over the hole, but they just won't finish all the way. I don't know if it's maybe the fact that we don't have a spinner out or no teal decoys. Really just using the motion ducks. Got a couple of the FA black ducks on that and some of the live series mallards. I got a couple of Drew's ripplers, and then just a couple, a pair of mallards and a pair of black ducks over here on the right. So seems to have worked well for the mallards so far. It's just the teal that are being weird, which is surprising, but we're gonna keep after them. Oh!
Let's go!
Yeah, Thomas.
Heck yeah. I wanted him to put those landing gear down. It looked like he was going to, but he can't come over that low and expect
Sometimes
to
you gotta work him down.
That's 3 mallard limits right there.
yeah. Oh yeah. Second stud greenhead of the day right there. That is our 3-man mallard limit. Another fat old greenhead. Woo! Gave me that perfect over the top shot. I just couldn't pass it up. He had been working us for about 3 or 4 minutes. So, oh, we got birds in the air, so I gotta shut up.
Look at these drakes.
Oh my gosh, look at this, mallards. We're not even calling them and they're trying to put their feet down in here.
Oh yeah, cigar's a completely different story than a black and mild.
We're in a little bit of a lull right now, so I'm gonna do a little bit of exploring back through here. There's big old smartweed beds. I'd like to find a hole back in here because we're seeing the mallards really key in somewhere right back here. I bet you could get a mallard to finish right in here. I'm sure a wood duck would do it right in this channel. Water all through these trees and duckweed. That's why the birds are in here. Smartweed, duckweed, and good cover. What is it? Oh, they couldn't have done it any better. I thought they were going to land on the left side, and then I looked and they were just...
I saw them come over the trees, not left.
Yeah, I think we just got 2.
Even Hirsch has got pretty...
Oh yeah.
Right there,
Oh yeah, he's not a bad one. It's crazy though, Drew. Yours from this morning is notably bigger than this one.
Yeah.
He's still pretty, but he's not big like yours is.
I don't see any more.
Pretty drakes too.
Yeah. One of them if you look, one of them's significantly smaller.
Yeah. Oh my god. Whoa, yeah. We're taking them over top.
You know what, dude? They were migrating.
They gotta be.
Yeah.
Look, there's still. Oh god. It's dead, ain't it? Let's make sure.
Well, we just had a group of about 50 wood ducks come over. Unfortunately, I didn't have the head cam on. I shot a hen. Dylan just shot a hen. They're not coming right in, but they gave us a pretty good passing shot. I don't know where they came from, but that was definitely one of the bigger flocks of wood ducks I've ever seen. What do you say?
That's a dead bird.
Yep. Smoked him. Nice old Drake wood duck here. I think this is pretty sure first wooding limit of the season. Number 6 on the day for me. Whew. That is a stud of a little wood duck there.
Kill him. I don't know. I mean, as much food as there is in here, a duck could definitely survive for a long time.
Well, just a couple minutes after 11 now, and we are going to call that a day. We had that big flock of woodies come over right here at the end while we were just getting ready to pick up. But besides that, I mean, the late flight has been really disappointing, unfortunately. Haven't seen hardly any big ducks laid on, a few mallards, and then a couple teal, but the teal just do not want to come right into the hole, unfortunately. But still an amazing hunt. We ended with 13 birds, I believe. Drew is paddling out a little early because he had to get to a meeting, and he shot a couple times on the way out. So I don't know, maybe he picked up an extra bird, but 13, unfortunately, Dylan did lose that one other hen wood duck that he shot. It was just kind of one of those deals where we just took our attention off the bird. There was so much going on with all those woodies buzzing around. By the time we focused on trying to get a cleanup shot on that bird, it was too late and it was off in the brush. So just a mistake on our part. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and you want to see more waterfowl hunting videos, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about today's hunt, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.